Minister ahead of Leader of the Opposition in favorability rating in latest RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening,
the principal is ready to call back the children. The principal goes for the bell.
Prime Minister gives clearest indication yet that election date will be announced soon, and 3 dead including 8-year-old in Clarendon crash. There's also sports, the business review and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.